Hey guys, welcome. Today we are going to calculate the elapsed time. Okay, sometimes we have the starting and closing or stop time for an event or for a task, and we are interested in calculating the elapsed time. Okay, so how we are going to do that? Come to the data set. Will show you the elapsed time calculation. This is the start time of you can think of a task or an event or a race or any other activity that might suit you. Okay, so this is the start time and this is the end time. Okay, and here I want to calculate the elapsed time for this event. Okay, so how are we going to calculate it? We will use the if function. Okay, press the equal sign and then if. Okay, if and b is less than, yes, sorry, this is the great one, greater than, less than, and then a4 and then comma. Okay, comma, and then 1 plus, you have to type plus. Okay, plus b4, this one, the end time, and again minus a4 and again comma. Okay, and after the comma you have to type the b4 and minus a4. Okay, now close the parenthesis and press enter. Okay, so this is the elapsed time between this and this start time and this end time. Okay, and if you want to calculate it for the whole data set or for the whole series, just right double click it. Okay, and now you can see the elapsed time of different events with different dates. Okay, so it's a very simple formula which you can use in order to save a lot of your time, specifically when you have much more or large series of these start and end time. It can save a lot of your time and you can do your job very easily and can finish the work within minutes instead of hours. Okay, so I think it's very easy, and let me show you the formula here. If you want to use it for your own work, you can just click here. Okay, so this is the formula, you can see it here. Let me make it like this so that you can see it very transparently. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and share our videos with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.